Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. I'm dumb hype, y'all. I just bought this random off of Amazon. I ain't gonna hold y'all up, I already looked at it. I got some birthday lashes from Amazon. I'm gonna leave them in the description. This say Ucrown hair. I think that's where I got it from. I told you I wasn't really paying attention. But anyway, this is their company. It came with some lashes. They ain't that bad though. They really ain't that bad. Usually when they give out some lashes, they look like booty. They look like booty. Yeah, so it came with a card. Then it has like all the other stuff that they sell.
Eyeshadow, makeup brushes, makeup sponges, hairpins, nail stickers, 3D mink lashes.
Then it came with this signature Holy Moly Donut Shop. Here's the wig. I got it in a 16-inch, y'all. And I took it out just to see the lace. I ain't even gonna hold y'all up, but I ain't take it all the way out. I just looked at the lace, baby. And it came tinted. Do you see that? It came tinted. And look at the lace. Ooh. Oh, and it came with baby hairs, y'all. I think it's a body wave. Pretty sure it's a body wave, y'all. I'm pretty sure it's a Brazilian body wave. And I got it in a 16-inch. So, of course, I'm about to tie these. It comes with 4 clips, 1 in the middle, 2 on the side, 1 in the back. Yeah. And then it's full frontal laced wig. Anyway, let's do this wig. Y'all already know what I be doing with my wigs. But today we're going to add something new, different. It depends on, like, how dark the lace get. I might add makeup, might not, but you'll see it. But this I got from your local beauty supply store, but I'm pretty sure I can link it down below if you can't find it at your local beauty supply store. It was $9.99. Ebine, New York. Ebine, New York. Tinted lace and skin tone medium brown. I'm so excited. I tied it. This is the extra wig in the back, but you'll see how I do it. I'm gonna push this up into my braids in the back, so it's gonna be snug and you ain't gonna be able to see no extra flop in the back. So I'm about to cut the extra lace off and then I'll be back. I meant to show y'all like the parting before I start putting this up here, and actually I'm gonna show y'all that too. Yeah, it's kind of bright, so we definitely about to put some makeup and stuff on it. So I'm just gonna spray this, the inside. I'm so scared. I think I need to lay it down, y'all. So hold on. I can't really flip it back because then I ain't gonna be able to do it. And just back up from it so it won't be too harsh. And just spray it. It smells so daggone good, it's not even funny. I just want it to be real blended in the inside. But anyway, so I'm done with that part. Now this is how it look on the inside. Oh yeah, that's a difference. That's definitely. And this wig is not glued to my head, y'all. Well, you can see that. But this right here, if your hair is small, the lace is really like long wrapped around. Like it's just a circle. Like it's no dimension right here. That just made me mad. I had to put some slits so it can go like below my ear, like around my ear. It's just, I don't know. It's covering my ear. It's being weird. But yeah, so I did that just in case you run into this problem with another wig and it's too round across, like it's too big, period. Just cut the slits, like measure it though. Measure where you need to cut, where your ear is at. And then just cut the slits a little bit. Don't cut no hair. Make sure you part it right. Now let's put this wig on. So I got this little Velcro thing. Got it from FD Sweet ZJ. Whatever. Whoever came up with that company name need to change it ASAP right now. Because what does it even What? Anyway, got it from this company on Amazon. It's supposed to look like this. Like, it's supposed to be like something in the middle, but it ain't. Or maybe I'm doing it wrong. I'm gonna stick to it ain't, and it's too thick to be just trying to keep it on my head to wear a wig. So I'm just gonna use it as the little thing that you put right here. So I'm about to do that so my edges can sit down for a little bit. Y'all see how thick this is? It's so cute. So this is how I plucked it. This is what I did. That's how much I plucked. I'm gonna finish this side and then I'll be back. Okay, I'm done. I done plucked. Plucked. I'm using this white ring from the dollar store. It was $1. I'm gonna just put it up here so I can lay it down. Okay, I'm done. Okay, so this is the wig. I don't think I'm not gonna do any baby hairs until it's time for my birthday. Then I'll do it again or whatever. So I'm going out of town this weekend and you'll see it again. I'll probably do it again. I'm not gonna cut no baby hairs right now. But anyway, this is my birthday wig. It's in a 16-inch body wave, I think. And we gonna let this hair relax first, cause curls just be a ball, man. But anyway. This is how I'm gonna wear it for right now. I really gotta go, y'all, so I really can't put too much into my hair. Curl it this way, going this way, and curl it this way, going this way, okay? When you go on that side. Anyway, this is my video. I'm done. This is how I customized this wig. Very cheap, but very good quality. Very good lace. This, I might pluck that a little bit more before I leave, but I just want to make sure it just stays down. I don't want to pluck nothing else right now. The ends are so pretty. Wig as a whole is really fucking pretty. Really pretty. Anyway, but yeah, this is my wig tutorial, y'all. I hope y'all like how I customized my birthday wig, because I'm about to be acting a fool, y'all. I'm about to put these earrings on. And I ain't gonna know what to do. That's the crazy part. I'm really gonna act a fool. But I got this for my birthday. I bought it off of Amazon. I'll leave it in the description. I got them lashes off of Amazon. Okay. But anyway, I look cute. I'm done. I love y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in. If you want to see me be more in depth on a certain part that I like kind of skipped over in this video, because I do it all the time, let me know in the comments if you need me to show you exactly what I did, because I just be doing stuff. If y'all want me to show you exactly what I did, I can do that for y'all. So just leave it in the comments. Leave any kind of comments. Say, hey, happy birthday, because it's on Wednesday, but I'm going to New Orleans for the weekend. So, hi. That's in 2 more days, y'all. I had to do my hair. But anyway, I'm excited. I'm gonna look so cute. But anyway, y'all, I'm done with this video. I love y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe.